Welcome back, everyone. We got a great one for you. We love our one-owner cars. This one is a one-owner 2008 Volvo XC edition. It's a premium pack, loaded, safe, reliable, decent miles. It's a 3.2 liter all-wheel drive, third row seating, sunroof, heated leather seats, second row bench, third row fold-away. Nice Goodyears on it. Great mileage, just around 100. Non-smoker. If you've been looking for a Volvo, this is a really nice one. Mechanics are perfect, no lights on the dash. Going to qualify for our 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract, covering the drive line. This vehicle is also going to get guaranteed credit approval. Starting down payments on these start at $795. Just a real nice one. Good history, well maintained, nice body, no rust. If you're looking for a nice one, you found it. Only one place, DasCleveland.com.